Well, hi everyone, I hope you're doing super well. You know what I haven't done in a while is gone to a big box store to see what kind of plants they have during the winter months. So that's what we're going to do today. You know that you're a big plant geek when you get super duper excited about walking into the nursery section of a Home Depot. It's kind of like, when you were a kid and you got to go to like a Toys R Us or another toy store. They're playing Christmas music and it's so festive. Well, I've got to say, this Home Depot is usually not well stocked with plants, but right now for the holiday season, it is. I'm in Denver, just outside of downtown Denver, off of Santa Fe Boulevard, for those of you who are familiar with this city, and taking a look at what kind of options they have. They have some beautiful peace lilies, as well as some really large, gorgeous, and colorful bromeliad as well. This right here, the Alocasia Stingray, looks really cool. I have two of these. One of them is a really large one that just keeps on growing more and more massive. Let's see how much they're charging for them. Where is the price tag for this baby? And it comes in a nice little burlap sack. How cute! Oh, just $29.98. That's interesting. Last time that I was at a Home Depot or a Lowe's, I think they were like $15, so they must be growing in popularity. These peace lilies, though, I've never had luck with peace lilies. Price tag on these babies is $16.98. Oh boy, we're gonna stay away from any kind of fern-looking thing. Those plants are pest magnets. Oh, it's a rattlesnake plant. This looks really pretty. It's really dry, though. Clearly it needs water. $16.98. Those calatheas are thirsty plants. Alright. Aglaonema, $16.98. That seems to be kind of like the price that I'm seeing here the most, is around $17, $20. Even like a regular pothos. Actually, somebody clearly put this pothos in the wrong pot, because this says Aglaonema on the side, and I can't imagine paying $17 for a pothos. A lot of pretty plants, and they have so many Norfolk pines too. I really wanted to get one of those. These are from Costa Farms, who, in my experience, has always had really, really, really good plants. I just ordered one. In fact, if you saw in my previous videos, I ordered one from my buddy, Philodendron White Knight, and it came in looking so good. These are only $6.98. That's good. Got a lot of peperomia and syngoniums over here, as well as Rhaphidophora. This is the Hay, which is I don't know how to pronounce it, but the shingle vine. Had one of these once, and let's just say that it's no longer with us. This is $19.98, and it's another Costa Farms plant. ZZ Black Ravens. Got some other beautiful Aglaonema, there we go, over here. Very festive for the holidays with their color. I adore these, and so $16.98. Again, the common theme we're seeing here with these plants. And they have some beautiful orchids too. I mean, look at those colors. I'm curious to see actually how much they're selling orchids for right now. This big beauty is $14.98. That's good. They're on sale. Double orchids, $29.98. Got some herb plants over here. Little figs. And whatever that guy is, it's not doing too well. Poor plant. But over here is more of the tropical varieties, Dieffenbachias, more fiddle-leaf figs, some Alocasia hylos, which I believe are actually calicaceas. Croton plants. These are beautiful. Had one of those once, but also did not know how to care for it, so it is no longer with us. But the Alocasia hylos are only $12.98. It's not bad at all. I did have one of those, but then I gave it away because those things, I mean, if you have one, then you know that they kind of like grow out and flop. This is a beautiful, beautiful Begonia Rex, $8.98. Love the coloring on that. And more peperomias. What you're seeing more of here, at least in the Denver area, is you're seeing more of these variegated Hoya Kerrii eyes. Only $10 for them. Boy, I remember like a year and a half, 2 years ago, when those things would go for like over $150 for such a small plant. And some more really beautiful crotons. They're so like, they remind me of Jurassic Park. They're so prehistoric looking. Those are some beautiful dracaenas too. Oh my gosh. And for only $20, that's a Dracaena Mass Marley is what it says. That's a good price for such a big, beautiful plant. Can't go wrong with that. Oh, look, and then you got your Christmas cactus, Christmas cacti, and more Dieffenbachia. Up there, some hanging ferns, and then some more pothos and pileas. Snake plants. A lot of pothos, but obviously, like during the winter months, that's what you're probably going to find a lot of because they're so easy to care for. Philodendron Birkin. These are so pretty and look so much like the holidays. I'm curious to know what they go for these days. $13.98. This one's called a Philodendron White Measure. Must have rebranded it or something. Some more Alocasia stingrays all kind of twisted in there together. Oh, look at this beautiful Monstera leaf. That's pretty. Some big Monsteras. How much are those going for these days? Only $31.98 for what is clearly a really beautiful, beautiful big Monstera. And look at the size of those fiddly figs. Those babies are trees at this point. I'm curious to see how much they go for. $31.98. That's not bad at all. I'll tell you, like, a lot of the time, these bigger plants now that were once seemingly unaffordable. Remember, even like 10 years ago, getting a fiddle leaf fig of that size would be like impossible for that kind of price, but now they're just so affordable. So it's really great, especially for plant collectors or people who just want to get into the hobby. Ooh, and there's also a big sale right now on large poinsettias. 13-inch poinsettias are $20, down from $34.98. That is a really great deal. Although I've noticed that poinsettias have been rather cheap this year. My grocery store was selling 6-inch ones for $4 a piece, so that's where I got mine from. But these are beautiful. Love the color with them. I mean, poinsettias just say Christmas, right? I mean, that's just really what they are, even though they grow natively in Mexico and kind of grow as weeds and as really large plants. So there you go. That is what a Home Depot in Denver, Colorado carries around this time of year. But I'm curious to know, if you wouldn't mind putting in the comments below, what are you guys finding at your big box retail stores? And tell me the city and state that you're in, because I'd be curious to know. Every so often you'll find some really good stuff, but you know, it's really hit or miss, as you plant people know. But hey, I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. If you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification button for more fun and interesting planting content just like this. And don't forget to check out my new website, plantswithkevin.com. That's where you'll find so many articles about plant care, DIY, urban jungle, design, and styling tips. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.